Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried jasmine rice. The secret to truly amazing fried rice lies in using day-old chilled jasmine rice. This prevents stickiness and ensures each grain is separate and perfectly fried. Proper preparation of all your ingredients beforehand, known as mise en place, is also essential. Finally, achieving and maintaining high heat throughout the cooking process is crucial for that authentic, restaurant-quality taste and texture. To begin, gather all your essential ingredients. You will need 3 cups of cooked jasmine rice, ideally prepared the day before and thoroughly chilled. Next, prepare 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as peas and diced carrots. Whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, measure out 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, keeping them close at hand. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil like vegetable or canola in a large wok or skillet over very high heat. Once shimmering, add your whisked eggs and quickly scramble them for about 30 seconds until just set, then remove them. Next, add your mixed vegetables and stir-fry for approximately 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finally, introduce the cold jasmine rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. To finish, pour in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, tossing everything vigorously to combine the flavors evenly. Return the scrambled eggs to the rice mixture. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly heated through and well integrated. Serve your perfectly fried jasmine rice immediately while it is hot for the best possible flavor and texture. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.